Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will walk you through how to start dropshipping with Temu in 2025 step by step. Temu is becoming a popular low-cost product source. I will show you how to take advantage of it for your Shopify or online store. Let's get started. First of all, what is Temu? Temu is a fast growing online marketplace offering super low cost products with free shipping. But here's the deal, Temu doesn't officially support dropshipping like AliExpress or CJ dropshipping. So you will need to do things manually or through workarounds. That said, many dropshippers are using Temu in 2025 by ordering products on demand and shipping them directly to customers. Let's see how that works. First of all, go to temu.com and start browsing by category. Look for trending product, 5-star reviews, fast shipping tags, low cost items with good perceived value. Focus on items under $10 with at least a 2x profit margin. Once you found a product you like, save the title, images, and the price. We will need them for your store. Now set up your selling platform. I recommend Shopify for full control, or Etsy if you are selling trendy or lifestyle products. For Shopify, go to shopify.com, then log into your account with your credentials. Then follow the instructions. Again, enter your password and skip. Now choose a free theme and add your product manually, like title, description, product images downloaded from Temu, your own price, usually 2x or 3x the Temu price. Set shipping time expectations clearly. Most Temu deliveries take 7 to 15 days. Since there's no official Temu integration, you will fulfill orders manually. Here's how. When a customer orders on your store, you go to Temu and place the order using your customer's shipping information. Use your email at checkout so you get tracking updates. Copy that tracking number and send it to your customer. Yes, it's a bit of manual work, but for small value or beginners, this works great without needing extra apps. Be transparent to avoid refunds and chargebacks. In your store policy, mention that shipping takes 7 to 15 days. Offer clear return or refund rules. Always communicate tracking details with your customer. You can also add custom branding by ordering products in advance, repackaging them, or using print-on-demand methods for hybrid dropshipping. When you start getting consistent sales, manual fulfillment will get tiring. You can upgrade by moving to AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Drop, which support automation. Or work with a private agent in China who sources from Temu or 1688 and fulfills orders for you. But to start with zero upfront cost, Temu is a great entry point. So there you go. That's how to start dropshipping using Temu in 2025. It's not automated, but it's beginner friendly and cost effective. Cost effective. Final tips: test a few products before scaling, track shipping times and customer satisfaction, reinvest profits into better tools or automation later. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial on automating Temu dropshipping or product research strategies. Thanks for watching and good luck with your store.